Top 4 tips for Instagram marketing in 2021. Do you want to start an Instagram campaign? If so, you need to do it right. Instagram is an exciting platform and it's one of the fastest growing out there. It has more than 300 million active users every day. But beware, running an effective campaign isn't relatively as easy as it seems. Every platform is unique and Instagram is no exception. To land a campaign successfully, you are going to need to understand what factors Instagram users are looking for. Hey guys, my name is Sumit from PaperVideo, and in this video I am going to reveal some of the secret tips and tricks for Instagram success. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative and educational videos. You can also turn on notifications by clicking on the bell button to get notified every time we upload a new video. If you would like to know more about digital marketing and are fairly new to the concept, check out our blog Digital Marketing, what it is and how do I start at papervideo.com. Link is in the description below. The first step to creating a successful Instagram campaign is having a deep and intimate knowledge of your audience. You need to understand precisely what they are looking for, how they interact, and who they trust. Chances are you already know this from your previous experience. But to tap into the ultimate success you can have with your campaign, you need to understand the depth of interaction on a much deeper level. Decide the 4 T's. Whatever you do, don't start an Instagram campaign without a goal-driven strategy. You can waste a lot of time and money if you don't know where to focus your efforts on. I like to break these down into 4 T's, just to remember them. Target, tactics, timeline, and total spend. Target. First and foremost, you need to understand precisely what you hope to accomplish with your Instagram campaign. If your goal is to drive people offline to an event or your local store, you need to choose your campaign strategy wisely. Specific tactics like running contests or hashtags will work best. If your goal is pure brand awareness, your options are more open. Large brands like Starbucks use Instagram every day to increase awareness without concerning themselves with direct sales. Targeting demographics and audiences that best suit your brand can be narrowed down to gender, age, etc. as well. These will help you better advertise to the customers you feel are more eligible for your campaigns. Tactics. Once you know the target audience you are trying to reach, it's time to decide on the tactics you want to use. But it's wise to have a general idea of what you want to use to achieve your target. If you want to run a contest, have a budget set aside for prizes, legal fees, and general management. Get ready to review a lot of posts and to communicate with your followers. You'll need to prepare a list of individuals you already know or would like to work with for influencer marketing. You'll also need to decide if you want to have these influencers run sponsored posts for you or not. Another technique I've seen some brands do very well is run campaigns with other companies. This is a great way to connect followers to another business that offers complementary products or services to your own. Timeline. I recommend building your Instagram following for the long term, but a few unique campaigns will run indefinitely. Usually you'll run a few regular campaigns to build your Instagram following and engage potential customers with your brand and supplement those with a few short-term strategies. If you're going to run a contest, influencer marketing campaign or product launch, decide when the campaign will end. It provides a sense of finality to the project and gives your team the motivation to pull everything off in time. Total spend. You don't have an unlimited budget, so decide what makes sense to invest in your campaign. If you have a product to sell, I recommend predicting the sales you'll receive from the campaign and basing your strategy on that number. If you're not sure what you need to spend, I'd recommend starting with a low amount, testing the success of your campaign and increasing if need be. Whatever your total spend, it's a good idea to plan ahead and not end up with surprises when the final bill arrives. Instagram has become a powerhouse for businesses around the globe. Scrolling through your Instagram feed allows you to get an up-close and personal view of products, places, and experiences that your friends recommend and share. Brands are taking advantage of the word-of-mouth marketing features offered by Instagram, and they are quickly recognizing the platform as one of the best places to make money. Start by switching to a business profile. Make use of the free tools provided by Instagram such as statistics and analytics. Posting product teasers and creating sponsored ads are another way to slightly increase and urge your followers to buy more products and services. If you want to generate leads, Instagram stories are here to help. Instagram stories differ from regular Instagram posts because they come in a slideshow format. They are only live for 24 hours, but stories can be saved to any of your devices and can be reused at a later point. If you want to reach potential customers on Instagram, the fastest way to do that is through influencers who have already built an audience with a large following. More and more people are buying services or products based on what they see in their feed from the influential people they follow. They trust them. If you partner with the right industry influencer, you can get your brand out in front of those users. If you enjoyed watching this video, please make sure to like and share with your friends, family, and colleagues. Please drop any questions in the comment sections below. Thank you so much for watching.